Facebook page tutorial: how to correctly set up a page and optimize it for maximum exposure and engagement. As the world's #1 social media with 1.3 billion users, Facebook is constantly improving its platform as well as the underlying pages, groups, and ads functionalities. Learn how to use the latest version of Facebook pages and find out how to properly set up a page and enhance it with an on-platform tools, but also with external processes. Watch now to explore ways you can optimize your page for increased engagement. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Kiwi. How you doing today? I'm doing fantastic, if you were to ask me. And if you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today we're having a conversation around how to correctly set up a page and optimize it for maximum exposure and engagement. What you need to set up your Facebook page. Let's first talk about that. What do you need to set up your Facebook page? You need your business name and description. You want to name your page after your business or another name that people search for to find your business. Use the About section to tell people what your business does. You also need a profile photo and cover photo. Now, you want to choose photo that best represent your business. Many businesses will choose to use their logo as a profile photo. For the cover photo, choose an image of your store, products, or one from a current marketing campaign. Now, your page's profile picture. Now, it displays impeccably at 170 by 170 pixels on your page on computers, 128 by 128 pixels on smartphone, and 36 by 36 pixels on most feature phones. Your page cover photo, it displays at 820 pixels wide by 312 pixels tall on your page on computers and 640 by 360 on all smartphones. That profile picture, the cover photo must be at least 400 pixels wide and 150 pixels tall. It has to, when you have those dimensions, it loads fastest as an sRGB JPEG file that's 851 pixels wide, 315 pixels tall, and less than 100 kilobytes. Now remember too that for profile pictures and cover photos with your logo or text, you may get a better result by using a PNG file. Keep in mind though that your page's profile picture will be cropped to a circular shape that we see this on Facebook. It will be cropped to a circular shape in ads and posts, but will remain the same square shape when people visit your page. To preview what your page's profile will look when cropped, please see the example below. We have the example below. You can see it on the screen here. So you see the example before. We have the J and the fruits and the after. Now, the action you want people to take. At the top of your page, you can add a call to action, a CTA, that will direct your page visitors to do something. Like you want them to visit your store, you want them to call your store, to visit your website. It just takes a few clicks. Now, let's talk about the About call to action ads. A call to action ad, promote your page's call to action button. Now, this is a button that encourages people to take an action that is critical to your business, right? For example, you want them to book appointments, you want them to shop on your website. For example, you can add a shop now button to your page, thereby encouraging people to shop. The corresponding call to action ad promotes the shop now button to a wider audience. And you can browse the categories below let's just talk about certain categories you want to have in mind before you select the right call to action based on your business goals. So on Facebook, you have different calls to action. So you have book, contact, download, learn, and shop. Those are the 5 major CTAs, call to actions, that they have on the website. And you can use that in an ad. Again, going back to how to optimize your page and how to optimize it for maximum exposure and engagement. Book. For book, the business goal is simple. You want people to schedule appointments or make reservations through your page, your Facebook page. And the call to action is book now. Contact. The business goal is that you want people to contact you on Facebook Messenger or through another form of contact, such as email or phone. And the call to action will be call now, contact us, send email, send message, or sign up. Another call to action is download. And here the business goal is you want people to download your app or play your game. This is specifically for app developers. And the call to action can be play game or use app. Fourth, learn. The business goal here is you want people to watch an informational video or read more about your business on your website. And you want them to do this from your Facebook page. So the call to action here is very simple. It's either learn more or watch video. And the next one, the last one is the shop. I spoke about it earlier. And the business goal here is you want people to shop on your website. And the call to action can be see offers or shop now. So those are the 5 different CTAs, call to actions that you can, the buttons that you can have on your Facebook page to drive maximum exposure and engagement. And you can even use these buttons as part of call to actions ads. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Kiwi. We also having a conversation here around Facebook and how to correctly set up a page and optimize it for maximum exposure and engagement. Number 2, create a new Facebook page for your business. Now, earlier I showed you how to create a page for yourself or an organization. And this could be a nonprofit, a club, a school. Here, let's see how to set up a page specifically for a business. There are similarities, but also differences compared to a general Facebook page. And as you can see on the screen here, we have a screenshot of this. We have a screenshot of this process, and we're putting on the screen. You can see here. So you have create a page, and you have the page information. So to the left, you have the page name is required. You have the category, the description, and then to the left, you have the desktop preview, the page name, the description, the photo that you want to tag people you want to check in. This is how it looks like from a desktop. We did the screenshot from a desktop. Now, how do you set up your Facebook business page? After you create your page, you can use its free features to start connecting with new and existing customers, as well as page fans. Now, what do you need when you create a page? You need a personal Facebook profile, right? To create a page, you need a profile, because information from your personal Facebook profile will not appear on your Facebook page unless you share it there. Your profile and page are considered separate on Facebook. You need to have a category. So you need to select a category for your page. So the category you choose will provide unique features for your business, information about your business. So if you want to get the most out of your page, you want to add details about your company or organization. I mean, address, areas serviced, email, phone number, website, hours, story, images, and more. You want to have this information ready to go when you create your page. Because once the Facebook algorithm starts disseminating your page within the platform, you don't want people to come and just go. You don't want to have a high bounce rate. You want people to come, be captivated, and spend time on your page. You also want to talk about the goals you like to achieve. So when you create a page, you want to have a clear set of goals for what you want to achieve. Make sure you're taking advantage of your page's unique features, insights. On Facebook, that's the beauty of the platform. You have something called page insights, and this allow you to understand your audience better and the content they interact with most. So you want to pay close attention to insights such as page likes, views, reach, and information about demographics. And you want to stay active. Typically, Facebook pages perform best when you interact with your page fans. You post often, and you include contact details and other information, and use page insights. Now, what do you need to set up? You need to set up things like visuals. So you want to start by giving your page a profile picture and a cover photo to represent your business, description, right? You want to add a short description to your page so that visitors know what kind of services your business offers. Try to keep your description concise, very brief, 1 or 2 sentences. No need to write a whole paragraph here. Your contact info, you want to add a phone number, a website, and email address. People who visit your page can access this information to get in touch with you. Location hours. If your business or organization has a physical location, you want to add an address and business hours so that people know where and when to visit you. Now, there are more categories if you want to specify this on your company's page, so you can select up to 2 more relevant categories to help potential customers discover your page. And also the about and story. You want to let people know what your business is all about. And this is in the about section. You can add a story to your page. Stories can include things like when you founded your business, what you specialize in, your mission, and much more. Now let's talk about how to convert an existing Facebook profile into a page, which makes sense because some people already have a profile and they want to convert it into a page and they don't want to create a new page. Now, by creating a page, you can use more tools and share with a wider audience. So converting your profile to a page creates a new Facebook page that's based on your profile. Remember though, and this is very critical, you can only convert your profile to a page once. Why should you convert? Why do you want to convert your profile to a Facebook page? Remember that it's against the Facebook terms to use your profile to represent something other than yourself. Example, your business. And you could permanently be banned from the platform if you don't convert it to a page. If you're using your profile to represent a business, there are many benefits to converting your profile to a page. Pages are designed, for example, they're designed for businesses and organizations with features that help you connect with customers and reach your goals. You'll have access to page insights where you can see metrics like which post people engage with and visitor demographics like age and location. Page roles can let you give other people access to edit your page. You can even create ads and boost posts. When you convert your profile to a page, you'll have both the profile and the page after conversion. Facebook will transfer your profile picture and cover photos to the page. You can select from your friends, followers, and pending friend requests and add them as a new page followers. You can choose which photos and videos to copy from your profile, but keep in mind though that views and other metrics remain with your profile and cannot transfer to the page. If you are converting a verified profile, please note that your verified badge will be removed from your profile and you'll need to resubmit your new page for verification. And that makes sense, right? And you can preview all changes before publishing your new page, and we strictly recommend that. When you've finished setting up your page, Facebook will then ask you to check your privacy settings on your profile to make sure you're sharing what you want to share. Now, to convert your profile to a Facebook page, go to create a Facebook page based on your profile, click Get Started, and follow the on-screen instructions. Your new page will automatically publish once the conversion process is finished. Now, there are a few things you need to know. What happens to your friends, followers, and pending friend requests when you convert to a page? Once your new page is published, your profile's followers, friends, and friend requests will get notified that you have created a new page. The profile followers you choose will automatically follow the new page and will be removed from following your profile. Friends and pending friend requests you select will automatically like and follow the new page and will not be removed from your profile. All right, I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of Sweetie Kiwi. We are still having a Facebook page tutorial, how to correctly set up a page and optimize it for maximum exposure and engagement. And I want to talk to you now about what do you do once you have created a page. There are several ways you can optimize your page for maximum exposure and engagement. Publish new content. Now, your page should be active and informative before you start promoting it, right? So you want to start posting updates as soon as it's live. New photos and updates help to keep your page fresh for visitors. You can also extend the reach of your post beyond your page followers by boosting your post and selecting the people you want to connect with. Besides publishing, you want to start messaging. Let people send your business private messages to ask questions, get in touch, or make suggestions. Facebook Messenger is integrated with your page. That's wonderful. So you can connect with customers one-on-one. You can also add special features. So if you want to make your page more useful for people, more captivating, more engaging, you can add special content to your Facebook page. For example, you can display your menu. If you are in the restaurant or the hospitality industry, you can list your services, or you can showcase your products with a shop section. You can also promote your page if you have the budget for it. It makes sense. Once your page is set up, you can invite your customers and contacts to connect with you there to get in touch and keep up with what's going on. You can also run ads to find brand new followers and constantly keep improving. Make sure that you understand that your page is not something static. It is a dynamic thing. Right? Click on Insights at the top of your page to see how people are engaging with your business, and you will see how many people you are reaching with your post and which content they like best. Because seeing how your page is performing can help you define a better content strategy and help you optimize that page for maximum exposure and engagement. Thank you so much for listening to us. We really appreciate it. Just kind of quickly recap today's conversation. I talked to you about what you need to set up your Facebook page, how to create a new Facebook page for your business, how to convert an existing Facebook profile into a page, and what to do once you created a Facebook page. I will talk to you another time. Thank you for listening. And until then, remember, stay marvelous.